In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a PayPal account without using a phone number. Whether you're new to online payments or simply exploring PayPal as a convenient tool for your transactions, this guide will walk you through every detail to get you set up. So, let's dive straight into the process. First, navigate to PayPal's official website. It's crucial to ensure you're visiting the authentic site to keep your information secure. Once there, look for the Sign Up button, typically located at the top right corner of the home page. Clicking on this will lead you to a page where you'll choose the type of account you want to create. For most personal needs, a personal account will suffice. After you've selected your account type, click Next. You'll be directed to a form asking for your email address and a secure password. It's vital here to choose a strong password that includes a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols, safeguarding your account from unauthorized access. Once you've filled in this information, click Continue. You'll now be prompted to provide some personal details, including your legal name and address. PayPal uses this information to ensure your account is unique and corresponds to your identity, so be accurate and truthful here. Typically, PayPal would require a phone number for verification, but here's a workaround that you can use. Instead of inputting a phone number when prompted, look for an option at the bottom of the page or within the settings to skip this step. It's important to note that without linking a phone number, your account may have limitations, such as initial spending caps or withdrawal restrictions until you've gained a level of trust from ongoing activities. Once you've bypassed the phone number field, proceed to the next step where you'll be asked to link a bank account or credit card. Linking a payment method is crucial as it enables PayPal to verify your identity through other means, allowing you to send and receive money. Enter your bank details or your card information when prompted, and ensure that the details are correct to avoid any future issues with transactions. PayPal typically sends 2 small deposits or charges to confirm your linked account, so keep an eye on your bank statement over the next few days to verify these amounts within your PayPal account settings. Once this verification is complete, you're all set with your PayPal account. Remember to explore the account settings to customize your notification preferences and security settings. This way, you stay informed about your payments and secure from any unauthorized access. Being proactive from the start can save you hassle down the line. And there you have it, your PayPal account is now all set up without needing to input a phone number. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your straightforward PayPal experience. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical tips and tutorials.